So I think some of the other considerations would have been slightly different, I guess. So could you just take us through?
We were born in the cloud age, so it was natural for us to explore cloud. The reason for us was multifold. A, it's an e-commerce platform. So you don't know what the predicted patterns of load is going to be. How much compute power would you need? So cloud allows you the flexibility to expand and shrink depending on what your needs are. An in-house solution, if I wanted an on-premise solution, there were multiple challenges for me. I was a startup company, a very small organization. I needed to have hardware specialists, I needed to have network specialists, I needed to have security specialists, I needed to have power backups, I needed to have redundancy in my network connection, my ISPs. So for us, the reason to be on the cloud was for me to build all this capability in-house and have an on-premise solution. A, it didn't look practical. It would have taken me months and maybe years to build that specialization in-house. And second is that is not our core business. Our core business is not managing servers or managing, interacting with Reliance or Airtel or Tatas to provide me a certain bandwidth and monitor if they are providing me with those bandwidths or not. Or negotiate with the power companies or UPS or generators and things like that. That's not my core competency. My core competency is we understand the e-commerce business, we want to build a platform, and that's how we want to go about. Our choice of NetMagic, we looked at various different cloud service providers. I think the other thing was because we were an early stage company where we could not tell anything. When NetMagic approached us and said, give me some patterns about how much load you're expecting, I said, I don't know. We were just about starting. We were getting 5 orders a day or something like that, and 4 of them were our own employees placing those orders. so really did not know anything. So we needed some place where it was highly flexible. We needed the know-how of a hosting provider who can bring their best talent and work with me.
Bala,